Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a recipe that is traditional and healthy and it's called Vaghareli Khichdi. So let's begin. And for this, I'm going to use moong dal chilka. And moong dal chilka in English is called split green beans with husk. I'm using 3 small size bowl of moong dal chilka and 1.5 small size bowl of rice, and I'm going to mix this mixture well. I won't be using the whole mixture. I'm just going to take 4 fistful of this mixture in a small bowl, and then I'm going to wash this mixture thoroughly and drain it, and I'm going to repeat this process 3 times. Next, I'm going to soak this mixture in 100 ml of water. This is how the mixture looks after it had few washes. Next, I'm taking 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 garlic clove, and a small bowl full of frozen peas. Then I'm going to slice onion like this. After that, I'm going to take 1.5 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. Then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And let the mustard seeds do some singing and dancing, and once it calms down, that's when I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Even cumin seeds wants to make some noise, so let it make some noise, let it spread its aroma, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Next to enter in the pressure cooker is 1/4 teaspoons of asafoetida, then few curry leaves, 2 cloves, few cinnamon sticks, and I'm going to add the sliced onions at this stage. Going to stir it, not going to let it cook like I did with the other recipes, so I'm not going to let it change the color, and I'm going to add garlic here, stir it for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of ginger paste. Next ingredient that I'm going to add is turmeric, and I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoons of turmeric and going to mix everything well. Now I've added chopped tomatoes. This time I'm not going to let it cook, which means no softy and pulpy tomatoes, because it's going to be cooked in a pressure cooker. So now added frozen peas and again a good stir before adding the mix that we soaked in the water, that is lentil and rice, and I'm going to use the water to cook this mixture. I'm also going to add 400 ml of extra water to cook the khichdi in a pressure cooker. So finished adding the water, and just look at the colors. Red, green, yellow. Looks so pretty. I wish I could tell you how aromatic it is or could share the aroma. Anyways, now adding salt and mixing everything well. I've put the lid of pressure cooker and will wait for its signal to tell me it's ready. And it's ready. Look at everything. Everything is well cooked and it's ready to be consumed. This healthy vegan Vaghareli Khichdi can be consumed with dahi, that is yogurt, or chash, that is buttermilk. Here I've served it with dollops of coconut yogurt. And if you want to know what it tastes like, please listen to this. Beta khichdi kevi thai che? And with this answer, my friends, this video ends here. If you visited my channel for the first time, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, my friends. Till we meet again in my next video, take care. Bye. Aujo. Bye.